Welcome to Era of New Learning Method. Meta Zenith and Watney Digital is offering certification in AI and entrepreneurship. Let's us review what we are going to target in coming
Today,
year.
we're diving into something that's a real game changer. A one-year program that's all about turning students into the people who will actually build Pakistan's tech future.
I mean, that's a massive question, right? It sounds almost impossible. Like, where would you even begin?
Well, what if I told you it all starts with just a single year? A really focused, super intensive, hands-on 12 months. That's the big idea we're going to unpack right now.
All right, so let's get into it. To really get what this program is all about, you got to understand the bigger picture. We're talking about AI's future, but more importantly, Pakistan's opportunity in that future. It's all about taking this huge global wave of AI and aiming it like a laser beam right at problems that matter here, at home.
And this really hits the nail on the head. You know, when you hear AI in the news, you're probably thinking about self-driving cars. But that's not the focus here. Instead of that, this program is about building things like smart irrigation systems for local farms. Or, instead of worrying about massive data centers, you're learning how to create affordable smart homes and low-cost automation that can actually help a small business down the street. It's AI with a real, tangible purpose.
So, stick with me, because in this explainer, we're going to break down exactly how this one-year certification is designed to do one thing: turn you into a creator, a key player in Pakistan's tech revolution. Okay, so where does this journey start? Well, like building any great structure, it starts with a solid foundation. We're talking about your essential AI toolkit, mastering all the core concepts right from the ground up.
First thing on the list, generative AI. You've definitely heard of this. It's the magic behind tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney. But here's the key. You're not just going to learn how to use them, you're going to learn how to leverage them to create brand new stuff. Text, code, designs, you name it.
All right, next up is something that's a huge deal: agentic AI. Now, this is a major step up. Think of it like this. Instead of just an AI that answers a question, you're building smart agents that can actually think, plan, and get things done all on their own. We're talking about automating really complex jobs from start to finish.
And then, of course, we've got to talk about the physical world. That's where IoT, the Internet of Things, comes in. This is all about the stuff around you: sensors, lights, fans, you name it. You're going to learn how to hook these physical devices up to the internet and bring them to life with your code.
So when you put all that together, man, your toolkit is seriously powerful. You've got Python and C++ for the coding backbone. You've got data analytics skills with tools like Excel and Power BI. And you'll even master prompt engineering so you can really talk to these AIs and get them to build incredible solutions. It's the whole shebang.
Okay, that's a lot of theory, right? So the big question is, how do you go from all that code to actually creating something? Well, that's the best part. This isn't about just reading books. It's about building real projects step by step.
The whole thing is laid out super logically. First, you get the code down, your Python and C++. Then, you get your hands dirty with the hardware, things like sensors and Arduino boards. Step 3, you build your very first smart device, a real IoT project. And then, you bring it all together, mixing AI with IoT to automate a whole system. It just makes sense.
And get this, you're not just doing this once and calling it a day. Nope, we're talking about six different mini projects over the course of the year. Each one levels you up, making you more confident and your skills sharper every single time. So now you've got this amazing toolkit, and you know how to build stuff. What's next? Well, this is where it gets really good. It's time to start solving real-world problems, applying all these skills to challenges that are unique and important to our own communities.
Imagine this. You could be in a field working on smart farms, building IoT prototypes that help farmers use less water through smart irrigation, or creating sensors that check the soil and weather to help them grow more food. That's a real impact. Or maybe you're more interested in factories, in making them smarter. You could use AI to predict when a machine is about to break down, saving a ton of time and money. Or you could dive into robotics to help automate manufacturing. Pretty cool, right?
And it's not just about farms and factories. These skills are perfect for making smarter homes and businesses. Think about creating affordable automation that makes everyday life easier, or helping a local shop streamline how they work. It's practical stuff.
And that's not even all of it. You'll also get to explore AI in education by building STEM kits for kids, see how it's changing marketing and design, plus you get out of the classroom with monthly visits to actual tech companies and hands-on innovation workshops. It's a full package deal.
So, after all that learning, all that building, it all leads to this, the final chapter. This is where you go from student to certified innovator. This is your launchpad into the industry.
It all comes down to one big, final capstone project. This is your moment, your chance to pull together everything you've learned and build something that is uniquely yours, something that shows the world what you can do. And the best part? You're in the driver's seat. You get to choose what you focus on. Is it smart agriculture, smart business, maybe smart homes? Whatever you're passionate about, that's where you can pour your energy and create your capstone.
And when you're done, you walk away with the official title, Certified AI and Robotics Innovator. Now that's not just a fancy name on a certificate, no way. It's a real credential. It's proof that you have the skills to get the job done.
So let's just boil it all down. The most crucial point is this. This whole thing isn't about learning theory for a test. It's about building, it's about solving, and most of all, it's about launching your career. It's that simple.
So there you have it. You've got the map that takes you from day one all the way to becoming an innovator. The only real question left to ask is, once you have that map, what problem are you going to solve first?
I invite you to register for this exclusive masterclass. Just fill in your details on the form provided and hit the submit button.